Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today I am again with a new topic regarding Detroit Become Human. We know that this is a very anticipated game and it has released for PC a couple of days before, like on 12th of December as predicted before. The game is awesome guys. You have seen one of my gameplays in the previous video where I showed the demo gameplay of Detroit Become Human. But yeah, the game is a little bit costly. It cost about 1700 rupees and it's costly, like $25. But whatever, you can freely play the game for free actually if you own the demo version. Yeah guys, I know many of you are there who do not own the demo version. For them, I think this is not going to work. Maybe in future some other kind of crack appears and then you can play. But now for the ones who own the demo version of Detroit Become Human from the Epic Store, you are very lucky today guys. You can actually get to play the whole game for absolute free. Let me show you all the steps one by one. So let's start. First thing first, let's go into the download location where I downloaded from torrent. As you can see, I have downloaded it in the D drive in my folder. This is the file guys, Detroit Become Human EGS RIP Insane Ramjes. This Ramjes guy is actually a Russian hacker or dev kind of man who has actually found a way to bypass the game through the demo version. All you have to do is just download the folder, this one, this folder, and from torrent link which I will be providing in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. And after you download, a huge thanks to that Russian guy. After you download, just copy all the folders present inside this folder except this EG store one. Okay, just copy everything except this .eg store one. This is a very crucial step guys. If you mistake on this, you may be banned from your Epic Store account or you won't be able to run the game. Just copy everything except the .eg store file. Then go ahead into the folder where you have your Epic games located. I have it in my games folder inside this Detroit Become Human demo folder. Here is the folder. I just need to copy all those except the EG store and paste them over here. You will need to replace some of the folder files in this folder. After you copy everything to this folder, you are good to go. You just need to double click on the icon over here. Now guys, if you by mistake open the game from the desktop icon like this is not the defective one. If you just open it from here, it won't work because the desktop icon created by Epic Games Store will be the demo version one and it won't be working. You need to go into the folder, right click on the icon after you copy all the application of all the folders to this folder and select send to desktop as shortcut. After you do that, just click on the shortcut that you newly created, double click on it, run. As you can see, I will be running Detroit Become Human without even buying it, without even paying a single penny. Yeah guys, I know this is a kind of piracy, but you still should actually support the developers. But actually because I don't have any earning source, so I'm good to go with free. And you can see the game is launching. No hiccups, no problems guys. Sorry for the noise. You know I can't use screen records. There's an issue with my screen recording. As you can see, this is a real game.
I haven't seen you for a while. It's good to have you back.
If you launch the demo version, if you have seen my other video, the previous one, you'll be seeing there it shows start demo. But in this one, you'll be greeted with this girl Android standing in front of you and greeting you to enter the game. And it actually works super fine, as you can see. So thank you for this watching this video guys. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified for every video I post every time. I will be shortly bringing out the whole walkthrough gameplay of this game part by part, like part 1, part 2, part 3. Be sure to check them out and also enjoy the gameplay. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye for now.